Hey guys, welcome to the Wood Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. So, company reached out to me, sent me this. I told them I'd give it a try. So, I've opened the box, but that's as far as I got. So let's check it out. Comes with a pair of white gloves, bag of hardware, decent packaging, foam blocks. What this is it is a manual wire stripper. So I figured we'd give her a shot and see what, I don't know, if we like it or not. So, got 4 mount holes to mount it to a table. Of course, we're not going to do that because that would make sense. So, comes with a handle, got a set screw on it. We should probably line up here. All the Allen wrenches you need for this are in here. See, we have another guide. There's one on here for smaller wire, one for bigger wire. Mounting bolts, mounting hardware, 4 of each. Okay, 2 Allen wrenches, 5 washers. Pretty good. Oh, there's an extra bolt here for something. Looks like that's the same as the guide. So. And then there's an adapter to go in your drill. We'll try it by hand first, see what we think. Let's see, what do we got here? Let's try whatever this is. Solid wire. I think it's 14 gauge. There we go. At this point, I'm not overly impressed. Let's try it with an end that's not all messed up. Yeah, it keeps slipping off to the side. Maybe I got it a little too tight still. That's nice, but I'm assuming it's going to be nicer with some power added. So that just screws in there. Alright, got one more piece of 12 gauge wire. See how it works with the power. Check to see if it's split all the way along here. There's a damaged section there that split right through. Yeah, that did a pretty good job. Yep, split the outer casing right off that. To adjust this for the smaller wire, you loosen these 2 screws, and then this slides up. And pretty much at its highest point, it's good for small wire. This was the 14 and 12. I don't know if it's the stranded wire, the smaller wire, or what, but it doesn't seem to like this too much. But we'll try the rest of it just to see. Even with the messing around, that's better than trying to strip this by hand. So definitely does a pretty good job on solid wire. This small stranded stuff, not so much. Let's see if we can take the casing off of this bad boy right here. Oh, got two different pieces. Two different sizes. Okay, so we'll go slightly bigger. Nicely strip the wire off this trailer plug. It is a little heavier stranded. We'll give that a try here in a few minutes. Let's see about this old power cord. Definitely likes the bigger wire better. I'm guessing for most of us this is not a tool we're going to use every day, unless you're an electrician or somebody gets a lot of wire. This is going to be something where you're going to save up your wire for a while, pull this out and use it. And for that, let's see a couple of things that I would like to see them add on to this. So be nice if there was a threaded hole or something where you can store your spare one, the other size, attached to the machine. Once again, someplace, even just, I mean it's 1/2 inch, they could easily drill a couple of holes in here, these sizes, so these just slide down in, so they stay with the machine. That would be really nice. Same with the handle. It bolts to the side, I guess you can store it in the upright position. I probably will never use the handle again. I'll just leave the adapter on here and grab the drill every time I want to use this. I'll pull one of these off and give her a shot. Oh yeah, much better on better wire, newer wire. Typical, like just about every project, the prep takes longer than anything else. All right, guys, conclusions on the Vevor SD25. It works. Is it the best wire stripper out there? No, I've used some better ones. However, those are way more expensive, and they come with motors, which, as you can see, with the drill, this is pretty easy to do. Doesn't take long at all. As I said, most of the times in the setup, getting it adjusted right for the size wire you're using, and it strips it away. So, if you like this, I'll try to put the link down in the description. Anyhow, don't forget to comment, like if you like what we did, and don't forget the thumbs up button. Anyhow, oh, subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. That's important. I want to get this channel to grow some more. So anyhow, yeah, the Vevor SD-25. Just, you know, this video took about 40 minutes of camera time to shoot. And it's probably going to be, you know, 6-7 minutes long. You get what you pay for. Anyhow, I would definitely recommend this tool as of now. If I'm using it and it goes to crap, I'll make sure to update this. Alright guys, catch you in the next one.